Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Now I am here with you with the second part of the lesson number 6. And this is we did previously that similar sounds may confuse people that how to pronounce exact sounds. In previous lesson we talk about the ha and ha, and mostly people talk about recite both ha as the single one ha. Then there are three separate sounds, fa, seen, and sod, and mostly people recite these ones as seen, seen, seen. Then we recite that zal, za, and zo, and zod. This is, and mostly people recite them as za, za, za. So today we'll start the next ones. So let's start our class. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي واجعل لي وزيرا من أهلي اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. So I already told you that this page is taken from the book Talaffuzul Quran, and that is written by the Inamul Haq Quraishi. And I just take this page from that book to make you understand how important the Tajweed is, how important to learn the sounds of the Arabic letters. That's why I choose or pick this page. Now this is, we have the letter Ta that has pesh on top, Ta pesh tu, and Pa pesh tu. Mostly people recite this pa as ta as well. Ta is the same one, but pa as the ta. So we'll check now how it is going to change the meaning. Firstly, this is teen with ta letter, thin sound, teenun, and its meaning is injir. Teenun, injir. Now this is toinun, that means is matti, clay. This is a fruit name, fig, teenun, and this is Toinun, matti, clay. So see how the meaning is going to change just because of one letter, to and ta. When you pronounce this Toinun as Teenun, so that means you are pronouncing over here again injir, not clay. The fig, but not the clay. So that's why sounds are very important. Now see, this is sataro. Sataro. Thin sound of ta, sataro. And it's mean isne chupaya. Sataro, isne chupaya. And next one you see satoro. Satoro. Thick sound, isne likha. Satar, we use this word in Urdu, satar, line, or satoro, usne likha. So to and ta, chupaya or likha, both meaning are very different, opposite to each other. Chupaya or likha. So when we are recite this one sataro, so we are saying isne chupaya, and we are not saying isne likha. So that's why sounds are very important. Next one, see the qaf and kaf, very similar sounds near to each other, but when you learn how to pronounce, then you can make difference that both are not similar. This is very thick sound qaf, and this is very thin sound kaf. Qaf and kaf, and mostly people recite kaf, kaf, no thick sound at all. Now see, this is qalbun. This is, that means dil, heart. Qalbun with the thick sound, two dots on top. Qalbun. And this is kalbun. I mostly give this example to my students, and qalbun and kalbun, to make them understand that how sounds are important. Kalbun, that's mean dog, kutta. So both sounds meanings are very different. Now see, this is qul, qaf with two dots, qul, and we are familiar with this word very most of the time. We know this one, qul huwallahu ahad. We know that 4 qul started with this one, qul auzu birabbin nas, and qul auzu birabbil falak, and qul ya ayyuhal kafirun. So qul, this is qul. We can't say qul. Qul, this is qul, that means keh dijiye. And this is thin one, kaf with lam, kul, and this means khaye. Kul, khaye. قل کہہ دیجئے, کل کھائیے, قل کہہ دیجئے. Both sounds are different and have different meaning. Now see, this is Ain and Hamza. Ain and Hamza. And if we just break the Ain, this see, both have same shapes as well. Hamza, Hamza. So most of the students confused with this one, as the shapes are very going to mix them. So mostly people recite them Hamza, Hamza, not the Ain one, and meaning is going to change. Let's see over here. This is Alimun, Alimun, and this means Janne wala. It is also the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and this is Alimun, Alimun, and this is Alimun, Alimun, Dadnak. And see, when we are going to recite this Alimun as Alimun, and we are going to change the meaning. We just change the meaning. Now see, Ramalun. This is with Ain, Ramalun. This is calm. Ramalun, calm, work. And this is Amalun, Amalun. And this means Umeed, hope. Ramalun, calm. Amalun, Umeed, hope. So by these two lessons, I hope so that all of you understand the importance of Tajweed, how important to pronounce the letters and their sounds properly in reciting of Quran. You now understand this one. This is very important. We should all learn this very well and focus on the sounds because if we are not focusing and reciting just the Quran, so there would be haram mistakes. And now we have so many opportunities, so everyone should learn this, how to pronounce the Arabic letters properly. So I hope so that it will help you a lot, these lessons. Thank you so much. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.